This video will demonstrate how to find and replace a word in a word processor document. While working on editing a document, there may be a situation very frequently to search a particular word in the document or to replace a word with another word or phrase. This feature saves our time. Here, let's see how to find and replace a word using simple steps. For finding words or phrases in a document, go to menu bar, click the tab Edit, select Find from the option and click it. The shortcut key to perform the same action is Ctrl plus F. Now this search bar will appear at bottom of the page. Type the word or phrase you wish to search in that bar and click Enter key or click on the arrow next to the search bar. For example, to search the word information in this document, type information here and click Enter or click on the arrow which is next to the search bar. Now the processor will highlight the first instance where the word has been used in this document. Press Enter again or click the arrow and the next instance where the word is used will be highlighted. Continue to find all the words like this. Now let's see how to find and replace a word. Go to Edit tab in the menu bar and click on Find and Replace, or shortcut keys Ctrl plus H can be used to perform this action. This window appears. Type in the word you wish to find and also the word you wish to replace it with. For example, let us search for the word technical in this document and replace it with the word technology. The words can be found either one by one by clicking Find Next button. The word will be highlighted now, or click Find All to see all the places where the word appears or highlighted together. The word technical is highlighted in various places of the document. Then replace the word either one by one or all the words together by clicking Replace All. By clicking the button Replace All the words which are highlighted earlier, that is technical, those words are replaced with the word technology. And finally, close this dialog box by clicking this Close button.